Peter Eliades with you for the Stock Market Cycles update for Wednesday, May 20th. We're going to begin all our updates from now on reminding you that the cycle projection software is ready. It's purchasable. Actually, it's free triable. If you don't have TradeStation, it's a free platform now. You just go to TradeStation. Well, there'll be instructions. There'll be a link below the video. Hopefully from now on, but certainly today there'll be a link below the video. If you don't have the software yet, if you're really serious about the stock market, if you're a serious student or a serious trader, there's no reason in the world not to have this software. I'm not claiming miracles for it. I'm just saying that this is the way the market works, and you will appreciate that when you have the software and you use it for a while. So the software is available through TradeStation. Okay, we're going to start out simply showing you a daily chart of the S&P 500 cash index, and we'll show you a few different offsets here, and we'll show you the beauty of this software now, the way Stefan Scheuermann has set it up, our little German wizard boy who now is in Bulgaria. Not a boy. Don't call him a boy, Peter. He's 30-ish. So anyway, young man. Stefan did a fabulous job with the software. And this is how it works. When you get the software, we send you a workspace page with TradeStation. And it's basically this kind of page. It shows the offsets and the prices and whatever. And you can change it to whatever you want. But when you click on either the blue signal line, we call it the signal line because it's the midpoint. If you're not doing a closing price projection, it's the midpoint from bar to bar on the bar chart. Or the easier way to do it is just click on one of the moving averages. Let's do that here. Let's go to the shorter one. Let's go to 3.5 to 4. Because as I recall, there is a projection there very short term. Okay, here it is. So mind you, these projections just since the bottom at the end of March, we're talking about almost 2 months now. Look at these projections. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, just missed. 6, 7 out of 8, and this one is a miss by what? This much, okay? So now it's calling for at least a move up to 30.35, rounded off, and 30.58, okay? So we do have that projection now. So once you have that projection, you click, get rid of the numbers, click on the moving averages again, and now let's go to the more serious ones. We know we have a 5-week offset for a nominal 10-week projection. Let's bring that one up so you can take a look at it. Here it is. Crossing took place here, called for this projection between 33.72 rounded off 34.65, okay? And now we came down to this line, which several times in this kind of configuration it will do to test the offset lines. It's almost like a support level. If you break below it, you've invalidated the projection. But so many times when you give a projection, you'll test the line again. And we've done that. And now we're moving up. Does that guarantee a move up to this area? Anytime you hear me say guarantee, you know what I'm going to follow that with. No, it doesn't guarantee anything. But we've showed you the consistency of the projections and the percentage of accuracy. You'll be able to do that in the next several months with the projection software. You'll be able to run all kinds of analyses. We're not able to do that yet, but you're going to be able to do that. But right now, you know we have that projection up here. Now, the important one now is the next longer offset. So this one is 24.2, 27.6. Let's go to the next longer one, 48.4, 55.3. Now, because I have a couple of years of data in here, it takes a little longer than usual to load. Look at this. This is where we are now. We've had this big move up. We're up to the offset lines. This one is 48.4 market days, This one is 55.3, and they are exact. They're not 48 or 55 or whatever. They're exact offsets, so you can tell where they are. Now, here's the important place right here. Either one of two things is going to happen. Either we're going to move above this second offset line and confirm a projection up to the 3,500 level or perhaps even higher, or else we're going to see a dramatic decline. You have to see a dramatic decline within the next couple of weeks in order not to confirm this projection. So let's go out. How many days is this? 1, 2, 3. There we are. 3 days from now, we're going to be right where we are today, okay? So today is Wednesday. 3 days is Thursday, Friday, Monday. So by Monday, you need to be here and go down like this over the next couple of weeks in order to not confirm this upside projection. I don't think that's going to happen. I am completely flabbergasted by the fact that they're telling us we're going up here. I never, ever would have guessed that we're going to go up there, and maybe we won't, but that's the projection. That's where the prices and that's where the offsets tell us we may be going if we get this confirmation, okay? So that's what we're looking at. There are a lot of other things I could show you. I'm not going to show them to you. Let's wait and see how the market unwinds over the next few days at this very critical level coming up to the second offset line. We'll be with you. We'll be here doing the analysis. In the meantime, go get the software. If you're a serious trader, get it. If you want to just listen to the updates, I guess that's fine. Remember, sometime in the next few weeks, 2, 3, 4 weeks from now, these updates will no longer be gratis. They won't any longer be free. Not too many people work for free nowadays. We've done it for about 7 or 8 months now. So if you want to stay up with the projections, you can do it yourself by getting the software. Otherwise, you'll be able to pay for these updates, which we'll have on our own website sometime within the next several weeks. This is May going into June, July. Thanks a lot for watching. If you have not subscribed yet, go to the bottom right of the screen, click on the little red banner, subscribe. Once you do that, click on the bell. You'll be notified every time our updates go on. If we do a special one during the day, you will be notified. Whenever we do one in the evenings, as we're doing one now, right now it's 7:23 p.m. Pacific time, 10:23 Eastern time. Usually for the video to render and get ready to go online, it takes another 20 or 30 minutes. So this should be online by 8 p.m. Pacific, 11 p.m. Eastern time. For those of you back east, we apologize for the lateness, but it is what it is. Thanks a lot for watching. We'll talk to you tomorrow.